Welcome, trolls. Bruce sees all.
Hi, welcome everyone. Bruce here. Bonjour tout le monde. Merci, bienvenue. On regarde une surface, encore une fois, de très près. C'est pas apprécié par tout le monde, parce qu'il y en a qui apprécient pas être trop près, mais pour ceux qui sont curieux, vous allez apprécier. You guys, what I just said is, you guys are going to appreciate it. Some of you, when I get in close. I know not everyone appreciates it. Some people like looking at the moon for the artistic beauty of it. Well, sometimes it comes down to the research, and that's what we'll be doing in this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir les plusieurs genres de tunnels ou objets, des lignes qu'on peut voir sur la surface qui sont 1 000 de large et plusieurs milles de long. C'est comme une coquille qui est alentour, un grillage alentour de la Lune. Sur la surface, elle a la même reflectivité que la surface et dure à voir. Allons voir le cratère Plato. Sur plusieurs reprises, même 2018, on va voir une comparaison. We're going to compare Plato Crater here along the Terminator line with last year, this year, get in very close and look at all the elevated structures. And we're looking for construction, right? We're looking for added on ends or changes on the surface. And that's what we're examining. We can see more and more of that pipe or tunnel-like object just to the left of Plato Crater, and many lines going to and from the crater. Looks like constructed objects. Maybe not. Possiblement des objets construits? D'après vous? Look at the straight volcanic flow side by side, like almost highways. Yeah. A flat-like rectangular platform or constructed object with a hole, here 90-degree angle there, a massive pipe or some type of structuring coming out of the center of that hole there, you can see. Lines at the end connecting higher or lower levels. Thank you for liking this video and taking the time to subscribe and sharing it on other platforms.
This is Houston. Say again, please.